Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So today is gonna be technology and gadgets day. So we're gonna be talking about this Ferrofluid dancing lamp. This is the first time I've seen one of these. So if you guys want to learn a little bit more about this really cool lamp, hey, don't change channel and stay here with me. Hey guys, before we move on, I wanted to ask you for two small favors that won't cost you anything. If you are enjoying my video, can you do me a favor and hit that thumbs up? And also, if you like the content I'm producing, can you help me out by subscribing here to the channel? I really appreciate it. And also in the description, I'm gonna leave links of the products that I'm using for this video. So if you guys are interested, at no additional cost, you guys can order any of these products, and it helps me out a little bit here on the channel, and it's greatly appreciated. All right guys, and now back to the video. All right, so what is this thing? So basically this is a ferrofluid dancing lamp. The ferrofluid is that magnetic liquid that responds to the rhythm of the music. So on the back, it has a microphone built in, and it listens to the surrounding music, and it basically, based on the sound waves, it creates different shapes, which is really cool. One thing I really like about this is that it's a unit itself, so it has a battery built in. It has the RGB LED lights as well, so it changes color, plus the ferrofluid that is changing shade. Now, one thing I want to point out is that this is not a speaker. So basically this is a complement to a speaker. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. Let's go ahead and play some music. Alright, so now I want to talk about the things I like and the things I didn't like about this dancing lamp. But before I do, just wanted to mention that for this video, I'm using the Fine AM8 microphone. So if you guys are interested, as always, I'm going to leave it in the description. So let's go ahead and start with the things I didn't like. So the first thing I didn't like is I was under the impression that this was a speaker. For the price that you're paying, that would have been really nice to have this, not only a dancing lamp, but also a speaker built in. So that will mean that you can take this anywhere with you without having to carry anything extra, and with Bluetooth technology be able to connect. However, it's not a speaker, so keep that in mind. It's just a dancing lamp. So when you turn it on, the light, it basically cycles through all the different colors. However, if you want to pick one individually, it's not like you can just press a button and switch it. But the way it works is that you have to let it cycle, and when you find that color, then you press the on and off button, and it holds it there, but only for about a minute. After the 1 minute, it kind of resets to a white color LED light, and then if you want to go back to the cycling, you have to turn it off and on. All right, now let's talk about the positive things. So I love this thing. It's really satisfying to look at this magnetic liquid react to sound. I think it's a great complement to a speaker, especially if you're going to be using this on a desk where you work, or maybe a station where it's going to be really close to you, where you can enjoy the different shapes that it creates. And also I wanted to mention another thing that I like is that you can set this dancing lamp straight as it is, or you can also set it in a way where it's tilted. I think this is really nice, especially if you are, like for example, in a working station or your desk, and you want to be able to get that perfect view. You can set it on this, you tilt it, and you can enjoy the view very nice. And the other thing that I appreciate is that it's built-in battery, so again, you can charge this and you can take this anywhere you want and set it next to a speaker however you want. Alright, so if you were to order this dancing lamp, it comes in this box. Inside the box you will find your user manual. You will also find a charging USB cable. This is USB A to USB C, and also you will find this adapter, which is a magnet. And what this allows you to do is basically kind of reset your magnetic liquid. So if you notice that you have too many bubbles spread around, you can actually use this to put them all together into one big bubble, which is kind of cool. And the price of this product is $129.99. Alright guys, so I would like to know your honest opinion about this music lamp. Do you guys think it's overpriced or is it just me? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, thank you for watching. I'm also going to leave you with this video right here if you want to watch another interesting video, and thank you for the support, and I will see you guys next time. Take care guys, bye.